My name is Kathy. I work here at Industrial Gearbox Repair. We are a gearbox repair facility and a manufacturer. We specialize in rush breakdown service. So when customers call, their concern is typically cost. We broke down that gearbox. Do you want to come in and take a look at it? It's typically lead time, day and a half, ship it back to you. And if you have the capability of doing everything. So Industrial Gearbox is a one-stop shop. We not only do our own gearbox repair, we do our own manufacturing. We are able to repair or replace shafts, repair or replace gears, along with many other components. We do this here in our facility, so we have control on the time frame, the time constraints other companies don't have control over. We manufacture all type of gearing. We specialize in straight and spiral bevel gears. We also do spur, helicals, worm gears. If it's not available through an OEM, we have the capability of manufacturing it here. Our standard lead time is 4 to 6 weeks. We have a large inventory of different alloys, bronzes, cast iron. So that saves a lot of lead time when it comes if we have to manufacture a shaft or gears. You have to be careful who you send your gearbox to. Some companies claim to have in-house gear manufacturing, then outsource it to us for repair. We encourage our customers to call at any time if they have any questions, concerns. We have 24-hour customer service readily available.
Industrial Gearbox Repair provides in-house gear manufacturing and gearbox repair across the Midwest and the United States. We provide emergency rush service, free freight, free quotes, and a 24-month warranty on all our repairs. Our team is dedicated to getting you back online fast. Industrial Gearbox Repair. Fast, reliable, 24-hour service.